In this task, we need to create a security group, data center -SC with description, and then with these ingress rules. Let's do that. If you run the command, if you look it for a Terraform AWS security group, so you're gonna get this sample page. Let's get this one, paste it here, and then we need a security group ingress rules as well. So if you scroll down, you can say egress. That's for outbound traffic, and it says you can have a list as well in ingress. So that looks fine. Otherwise, let's look for AWS Security Group rules Terraform, and then scroll down security group rule. So you don't need to have a rule actually. You can inside only you can write ingress block. Maybe you can type ingress list Terraform. So if you do that, that's fine. Google Germany is okay. You can get this block. Actually, you can write this in multiple way. For each rule, you can have a ingress. Otherwise, you can make it as a list. I'll show you that. If you paste it, so tags that looks fine. So we got these. So the name should be data center SG, and just put the same name for the resource. You can put anything if they didn't specify anything. And then the description should be this one. So edit it. If you don't put any VPC ID, it's gonna go to default VPC. And then tags, just gonna put name same as this one. And then in ingress, I'm gonna give it as a list. So what I'm gonna do actually, if it is a list, what you can do, you can add this square bracket. So whenever you see a square bracket, that means a list. So I'm gonna put one more I'm gonna put a comma, and then I need one more block. So I'm gonna say this. So allow HTTP from anywhere, that looks fine, and then from SSH from anywhere, and port 22 as well. That looks fine. Okay, let's get this. I'm sure I'm gonna get some errors. We can figure that out. Copy. Here we need to create main.tf file. Paste it, save it, open terminal, and then run Terraform init. That looks fine. Now run Terraform apply. Okay, it's giving some, it's expecting these values. Prefix list IDs. Okay, let's give them prefix underscore list underscore IDs. I'm gonna leave them empty. It should be expecting some of the values as well. Security groups and self are required. Okay, these are the required. IPv6 header blocks as well. IPv6 underscore cider underscore blocks. I don't need these things. Self are required, so I'm gonna make it as false. And then security groups, I think. security groups, I'm gonna leave them empty as well. So I've added these. So let's add these to this block as well. Now save it and rerun. So whenever you get an any error, just look at that error. Let's see how it behaves now. Once you, okay, it seems that looks good. Then press S. Oops, it says resource security group data center. Ingress rules authorized security groups rules operation error EC2 authorized security group ingress some 400 response we got. The group rule already exists. Okay, let's run this Terraform destroy. And yes, and then reapply. Press yes. It says API error invalid permission duplicate the specified rule already exists. Which rule duplicate? Oh, okay, my bad. There's an issue with ports. Port 22, 22. So we need to have different. I'm sorry, my bad. Let's put this one and then apply it now. So even I told you to look at the error carefully, but I didn't do. That's fine. It's been done now. Now you can run the command AWS EC2 describe hyphen security hyphen groups. Now you can see port 80, port 22, and the group name data center I see. Now if you check the task result, it's successful. Thank you so much for watching.